Hi, I'm going to making the Mongolian beef noodle today. I have about 6 ounces of Cantonese noodle. The package looks like this. They already cooked. They call the steamed chow mein noodle. Let me go put it on the side first. And also I use 2 ounces of white onion and 2 ounces of green onion, half ounce of red pepper. For the sauce, I use 1/4 cup of water, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of hoisin sauce, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 1 teaspoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of cooking wine, about half teaspoon of hot pepper crushed. For the seasoning the beef, I put one teaspoon soy sauce, 1 teaspoon soy sauce in it, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of cooking wine, and 1 tablespoon of oil. Then I mix well. Okay, I'm going to set it on the side. I'm going to cook the noodle first. Because this is noodle already cooked, I just want to reheat it, that's all. So wait until they're boiling. I'm going to remove it just a second. I'm going to put all the sauce in it first. Put the sauce, the soy sauce and the hoisin sauce. And the oyster sauce. And the sugar. The cooking wine and the hot pepper crust. Then I mix well. Okay, the noodle are about ready. Right now I'm going to remove the noodle. Okay, the wok is hot now, so I'm going to put some oil in it. Then I'm cook the beef first. Okay, looks good. I'm gonna set it on the side, and I stir fry the white onion first. And all the green onion in it. And the red pepper. Looks good, and I push that on the side. I'm going to put all the noodles in it. Then I put all the sauce in it. Okay, that looks good. I'm going to turn off the heat. Okay, that's what I have today, the Mongolian beef noodle.